Good morning. Our students are working on a cooperative activity today called the Rolling Raft Race. So they have got groups of 4 or 5. They've got a foam raft and 15 foam pins. And what it looks like here is one person will ride and the other players are going to take the foam rollers and lay them out in front so that person can continue to travel across the gym. They're going to come up with a plan or a strategy to get those pins from the back and up to the front, figure out how far they need to space them. That'll kind of determine how quickly that person travels. It requires some communication, some cooperation, some problem solving. When things don't go well, how do they deal with the failure? How do they make adjustments to their plan? Now, each student will get a chance to travel across during this practice period. We'll let all the students travel across the gym once, and then we've got a couple other layers or levels to the activity that we'll try if we get that far. At the end, we'll have some time to reflect on the learning process and debrief a little bit, talk about what went well, talk about our successes, talk about our failures, talk about how we contributed to the team. This is 5th grade. We'll be doing this with 3rd and 4th as well this week, called the Rolling Raft Race.